What if a handheld gaming device could deliver desktop-level performance, up to 120 watts of raw power, and even support liquid cooling? Meet the OneXFly Apex, OneXPlayer's most ambitious gaming handheld yet. The OneXFly Apex is an upcoming 8-inch Windows gaming handheld built around AMD's new Ryzen AI Max platform, also known as Strix Halo. This isn't just a portable console. It's a mini gaming PC with up to 120W TDP, optional external liquid cooling, and a hot-swappable 85Wh battery. Processor: AMD Ryzen AI Max plus 395, top-end Strix Halo chip, Zen 5 architecture. Alternative option: Ryzen AI Max 385 for lower-tier variants. TDP unlocks up to 120W performance with external cooling, unheard of for handhelds. GPU: integrated RDNA 3.5 GPU, similar class to Radeon 8060S, for AAA gaming and AI workloads. Memory: up to 128GB LPDDR5X RAM, more than many gaming laptops. Storage: M.2 NVMe SSD, configurable up to multi-terabytes. This kind of power normally belongs in a desktop, not something you can hold in one hand. 8-inch display, 120Hz refresh rate plus variable refresh rate, VRR, for smooth gameplay. Slim bezels and ergonomic OneXFly layout. Full controller setup with Hall effect joysticks and multi-stage triggers. Harman-tuned dual speakers. Battery and cooling: hot-swappable 85Wh battery for long sessions or high-performance boost. External liquid cooling dock. Plug-in to unlock full 120W power. Internal cooling alone allows standard handheld mode, but full power needs dock or external battery. This makes it both a portable console and a semi-docked mini PC. Who is this for? Hardcore gamers who want desktop power in handheld form. PC gamers who want to play AAA titles anywhere, but don't want to compromise performance. Tech enthusiasts interested in AI computing plus portable PCs. Creators who need high RAM for multitasking or AI workloads. The OneXFly Apex isn't just another handheld console. It's an experimental powerhouse. It pushes the limits of portable gaming with 120W performance, liquid cooling, and up to 128GB RAM. But remember, to unlock its true power, you'll need the external cooler and larger battery, so it's not fully portable all the time. Would you buy extreme power in your hands, even if it needs a cooling dock? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more.